the Supreme Court of the United States declines to roll back marriage equality. Despite the presence of not one, not two, but three Trump-appointed justices, the Supreme Court of the United States, or SCOTUS for short, recently denied certiorari, aka judicial review, in a case that threatened to chip away at LGBT rights. The court's denial will reject the state of Indiana's discrimination against same-sex couples and will continue to preserve the essence of Obergefell versus Hodges, the case that federally recognized marriage equality across the nation in 2015. Indiana Attorney General Curtis Hill took the position in Box v. Henderson that same-sex spouses should not have the same rights to be named on birth certificate as opposite-sex spouses. The case arose after Indiana refused to include the names of the wives of birth mothers on their children's birth certificates. The Supreme Court's denial of judicial review of this case means that the Seventh Circuit Court's unanimous ruling in favor of equal treatment for same-sex parents still stands.
Okay, so how does this happen with all these conservative judges and all?
That's a good question.
I mean-
I think there were so many people who are pissed. There's so many like Trumper Republicans who are really pissed at the Supreme Court right now, like how they threw out Texas's suit for
MAGA tears,
the election
MAGA
fraud.
tears.
They're like,
where's my bowl?
What the F is this court even for? Oh,
MAGA tears collecting.
yummy.
Collecting MAGA tears. Ah, it's so tasty.
What does it taste like? Did you get a little? Wait, no. I need to try a little bit. I want to swish it in my palate. Katie is saying salt prices going up. No,
Actually,
they're going down because
Katie
it's
doesn't
so
understand.
plentiful.
Katie doesn't understand how supply and demand works.
It's okay.
You have to.
I barely have a grasp. I'm not kidding.
You have to buy them now because the supply goes up. That means the price goes down. So you buy them now so you can sell them later. Jesus, Katie.
Yeah.
Katie.
So I think I wanna explain a little bit more about what this case is about. So basically, in Indiana, there was a situation where there were lesbian couples who were married having children via artificial insemination, or a variety of fertility techniques. And so when these children were born, there was the birth mother and then there was her spouse, her wife. Indiana was refusing to have her wife's name on their child's birth certificate, even though they were married. So this was going up through the courts, and it was appealed at a Seventh Circuit court when the Seventh Circuit decided that what Indiana did was wrong. And so once it was appealed from the Seventh Circuit, that means it goes to the Supreme Court, and they get to decide, are we going to hear this or are we not? They declined judicial review. So that means that the decision of the lower court stands. And that means that the rights of same-sex parents are further solidified across the country. So this is a big deal. In this case, it's been ongoing for some time. There was a similar situation that also happened in Arkansas, because I was speaking about Indiana earlier. And in that case, the Supreme Court also sided with same-sex parents.
Can you explain to me, if you can,
Mm-hmm.
the motivation behind denying them having the name there? Like, what motivates somebody to be like, you know what, we're not gonna give this to you? Like, why did you go to so much hassle just to disturb people's lives with things that doesn't affect anybody else, like doesn't harm anybody? Like,
And
can
it's
you like?
blatantly discriminatory because husbands' names are regularly listed on birth certificates without any additional requirement.
I know, but why like the people that are behind, like, oh no, we're not gonna put same-sex couples names on it, right?
Mhm.
Like, what goes in their mind that like, we're not gonna put your name there. Oh, you want it there? We're gonna take this all the way to the Supreme Court, the highest court in the land, because god damn it, like, I mean, and it's already legal for you guys to get married, so technically this is the law of the land, but we have this, we really 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 don't want you to have your name there. I mean, why? Like, what is, like, I mean, can we steel man them a little bit, like, even with their screwed up Christian ideology? Can we figure
Well,
out?
we're making that assumption. It's a pretty good assumption.
It's fact. But
I haven't looked into that guy's background. I don't know that, but it's a
oh
pretty
yeah,
it's a pretty good assumption.
it's fact. All right. No, but what, why do you, why go through such lengths to just make people's lives like less equal? Like, what is it? Like, there must be like, what is, how do they justify this? Do you
I
know?
mean, they could say that, the ruling of Obergefell versus Hodges was regarding marriage equality, did not have to do with parental rights. I'm assuming that was part of their argument.
So what's the point of equality then?
Well, I mean, but that technically they could say that that's a different field. Although really it doesn't make any sense because there is no extra additional requirement for opposite sex couples listing their names on birth certificates.
Alex saying, aren't opponents scared that gays will raise their kids to be morally bankrupt? I mean,
Yeah,
we
but
did not.
that ship is sailed. That has nothing to do with a name being on a piece of paper.
Yeah, what is denying them having their name of the parent there? What would that achieve? It wouldn't achieve that. Like,
Well,
it's just like, I was just gonna poke. We just wanna deny you this because we're just meanies. Like, it's just like, didn't it look like this doesn't achieve anything? Like, even based, this is what I'm saying, even based on their worldview, gay bad, gay couples shouldn't have kids. This doesn't achieve, denying them this doesn't achieve anything even by their standards. This is just like, I just want to remind you that you have to know your place, that you're still not the same. You're not the same as
I mean,
us.
in
God
Alex,
damn it, this is not normal. This is an abomination. I just have to make it clear that you're different, okay? I just have to remind you that, is it just not poking, because it doesn't achieve anything. Even the goals that they want to achieve, this doesn't achieve it. I don't understand. What does it achieve? This is just poking. This is just a we hate gay people statement, isn't it?
well, I mean, and this has nothing to do with raising your children in their morality. This is about denying someone guardianship rights, parental rights as to claim someone as a dependent.
So even after they adopted the person, they're just making it more difficult for them to do the parenting that they don't need to do.
No, not even adoption. This is through artificial insemination.
Okay, no, yeah.
So yeah, but someone and my spouse.
But you already have the baby, right? But they just want to make it more difficult for you to do the parenting that now the baby. I mean, you already have the goddamn baby. What are you doing now?
Can I highlight a really dumb comment?
Yes, please.
Well, there's two. Lorraine is saying, relax, let religious be religious. Lorraine.
Yes.
Lorraine.
Dumbest take of the day so far.
I'm just gonna let, people in Ghana accuse other people of witches and burn people to death or throw them in a river of crocodiles, because I'm just gonna let them be that way. What? Come on. And then the Corzo family is saying, okay, I don't even know how to feel about this. They're saying they fear the breakdown of marriage. This has been the case since the 1940s.
But that's not what they believe.
Is creating a breakdown in marriage because it's denying spouses rights to their children. I'm not saying, because I've seen you around, I don't think that this is your position.
No.
But you do understand that doesn't make any sense, right?
I think he or she does. I think they're just saying that this is, I think they're just saying that this is their position.
I think
They fear. That's why you say.
if I wanted to put on my gender studies hats, I would say that there has been more in heterosexual culture that has caused the breakdown of marriage than homosexual culture.
I am back. I think I'm back. Hey, I am back. Susie? Is Susie here? Wait. Susie? There we go.
Sorry about that. I don't know what happened.
I think that was a me thing. Or was it
really?
both of us? Was it both of us?
I don't know. I just switched my connection just in case.
Okay. Wait, that person was not saying that they believe this.
No, I said that. I said, I don't think that this is your position.
Yeah, okay.
But I'm
They're
just
gonna
pointing
get
out.
Yeah.
They can be butthurt. That's fine.
All right. Wait,
Yeah,
who was gone? Were we both? See, some people on Facebook, people saw me gone. On YouTube, people you being gone. I don't think this was a connection problem. This was a StreamYard problem.
I'm absolved. I'm absolved this time.
It's all good. Wait, did we miss any?
Yeah, no, it was Armin, but Susie thought it was her, so she left as well.
Yeah, this is why. Okay, so Susie, whenever I have connection issues, you just continue as if like nothing happened. Okay, if you don't leave, just like stay there and be like continue. Just remove me from the stream and then continue.
Yeah,
Anyway,
I should have checked the live stream.
This is why I have this on the side to see what people are saying.
And so Corso family is saying if one parent is removed from the household and the household is eligible for subsidies, yes, I think the welfare situation from the 1960s is a huge problem in this country, but that's a whole different discussion and does not actually necessarily apply to the LGBT parentage rights.
And also subscribe to our newsletter, because if we get removed from all these platforms, at least we could reach out to you. And guys, by the way, if you subscribe to our newsletter, you get a free copy. Where's your copy, Susanna? Get it. We're doing promotion. You get a free. It's not even promotion. It's free. Okay, so if you subscribe to our newsletter, link in the description, you get a free copy of Why There's No God. Come on, like I'm handing it out for free. Okay, it's a bestseller on Amazon, and you get it for free. So subscribe to our newsletter, and you get a free copy of Why There's No God sent to you. Link in the description.